Stepney and James. It was a beautiful day on the island of Stepney. Stepney was taking a train all the way from Nafred to Marin. He was having a great day. Working hard, getting the jobs done, getting it done, and even being on time. And ever since he ever came to Stepney, he felt like a new special kind of engine. He always thought he'll be really useful, right on time, and always be number 55. Although he can be trouble sometimes, he's still a really useful engine. But James, on the other hand, well, let's just say it was his lucky day, because he got to pull the express. He was so delighted. Just to pull the express. Although it was Gordon's job, he still decided to pull it. Gordon wasn't really proud. His fire wasn't out when it started, and when he was ready. So James had to take it for him, with the special ones, the red ones. James' favorite color was red, so he decided to give them to him. Although the express coach for Gordon, he still deserved it. He did a really useful engine with this. But that still doesn't mean he could be a bit big and a bit of a show. He's still a really useful engine, just like that. But this story, there might be something that happened, and that might go wrong. Well, let's find out, shall we? Later on the branch line, Stepney was taking a passenger train all the way from Marin to Natford. It was after his freight train. Then he arrived at Natford right on time, where Stanley and James were waiting. Alright, I'm at the station. Who are you? Yeah, just who are you? The name's Stepney. And I believe you're James, right? Yeah, well, I'm James. Well, nice to meet you. Oh, snap, I almost forgot my coaches. Oh, embarrassed. It was nice meeting you. See you later. That engine is pretty weird. Well, Stanley? Stanley? Stanley! Yeah? I've been thinking. Where's the station from? Oh, he's from the Bluebell Railway. I've been there before. I think you're just jealous that he's new. The next day, Stepney came to the station where James was waiting. Hello. Again, Stepney. Hello, James. How's your day been? It's been alright. Oh, sorry, gotta go. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, James, but still, you don't have to be jealous about that. You don't have to be like me. I'm just saying in general. Like, he wasn't famous. And he's like, get on the newspaper or like authors of books. Yeah, okay. What happened here? Oh, don't worry about it. Why these runs good? Just might be. This might be like. Don't know. Later at the station, Stepney was waiting for James. Come on. Oh, here. James, he's in trouble. Help! No, stop pushing! Help! Stop pushing! James! Oh, faster! Yeah! Stop! Oh no, it's Stepney! Oh God! No! Oh, stop! Help! Whoa! Why am I still moving? Wait, stop! And then there was a sidewalks came apart, and the big van tipped over, and James derailed. Then he got covered in vanilla ice cream. All vanilla flavored milk. And vanilla flavored milk. Oh, I am silly. I really am. Thanks to those trucks, I wasn't paying attention. Are you alright there, James? I'ma check on you. feel silly, really, really silly. Oh, I'm covered in milk. Where you? Oh God, that is so.